सेकंड क्वेश्चन है मैरी मैम और सर का जो रियल लाइफ में जो एक दूसरे के प्रति जो कोऑर्डिनेशन है वो आपको कितना इंस्पायर करता है ये आप बताएं हमें।
I think it's great, man. I think she's playing a sport which is usually associated with machismo and men and all that, you know. And he's probably playing a part which usually is associated with women. But I don't see. I think he's a bigger nurturer in that sense because he's allowing her to go live her dream, which is a very, very big thing. I mean, that is the kind of support which you would want in your life. And since now there are no gender biases left, women are mostly doing all the things. I mean, women are in the Air Force, they'll be flying planes now, even in India, you know. So since that has happened, somebody has to do the other part as well. Like behind every hero, there is somebody who's also slogging their ass off to help that hero. So I think it's very important, and I'm in admiration of Onler. It's not easy, especially coming from patriarchal society, to get into that role and accept it. I'm sure he must have faced some sort of, you know, difficulties with the local people around. But now he's seen through it and not bought into their biases. And I think I'm much in admiration of them. And I think this is a great couple for the future, for the future of our country, where, you know, women are looked at in a certain way. I'm sure Mary could fix that.